rain keeps falling on the city lights, while I walk these empty streets alone. Every shadow feels like your memory. Every silence feels like home.
Your picture fades beside the window, but your voice still fills the air. And every midnight I keep reaching for a love no longer there.
Maybe hearts were never built to stay. Maybe love was made to fade away. So I cry beneath the midnight rain, trying hard to numb the pain. Every heartbeat feels so hollow, every road still makes me follow.
Of you through every storm, trying to keep my heart still warm. Now the stars don't shine the same since I lost you in the rain.
The violin begins to whisper, like sorrow through the dark. Every note becomes a scar now, etched across my broken heart.
Moonlight shines across the pavement where we used to stand so close. Now the only thing that's left here are the memories I miss most.
If I could turn the night around, I'd bring your love back somehow. But all I hold are fading dreams and echoes in the rain. Now I cry beneath the endless sky, still asking heaven why. Every dream keeps slowly dying, while this lonely heart keeps trying. And the silence calls your name. Nothing ever feels the same. Now the moonlight turns to blue, 'cause my soul still waits.